Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you how to turn on camera uploads in the Dropbox app. If you want to automatically back up the photos and videos from your phone to your Dropbox account, this feature makes it simple and convenient. By the end of this video, first, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Next, tap the account icon at the bottom right. Then, look at the top right corner and tap the settings gear icon. After you enter the settings, scroll down through the options until you find the Camera Uploads section. Tap on Camera Uploads to open the related settings. Here, you will see an option to turn on camera uploads. Click on the Turn On button to start the setup process. Next, Dropbox will ask for permission to access your media and files on your phone. This is necessary for the app to upload your photos and videos automatically. Tap Continue and then allow the requested permissions when prompted. Once the permissions are granted, Dropbox will begin uploading your camera roll to your account. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more helpful tutorials on this channel.